Dear students, our topic is problems. Okay, this is the last topic in this chapter. So major important topic, very important topic. Problems. Previously in the board exam, 2 or 3 times asked the same problem in the board exam. Same problem. If you solve one problem, then you will get full idea. Okay. So this was taken from this book only. Here this is 10th class this book, physical science. So first chapter, this is well known you. So chapter say this is exam problem. I have to page number 14. If you have textbook also you can check here. For 14 is problem exam problem. Pardon, it asked 4 marks problem. It was asked for 4 marks in the board exam. Okay. So should be. So to solve problem, already I told you there are 6 steps. What is step? First step 1 is read understand the problem. Step 2, write the given data in the problem. Step 3, check the units. Step 4, think formula. Step 5, substitution and calculation. Step 6, result with the units. Okay. Now okay, see here. An object 4 centimeter in size is placed at 25 centimeters in front of a concave mirror. This problem belongs to concave mirror. So underline here. This is belong to concave mirror here. So our focal length given 50 centimeters. At what distance from the mirror would a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? So we want image. Find the nature and the size of image. Clear? This is the problem. Okay. So now read at least once or twice, understand. Now write the data. What are given the problem? Size. How much the object size? Size nothing, height. We can say both height of object or size of object. That is well known to you. That is what HO. HO equal to 4 centimeters given. Clear. That is size of object. Next, placed at a 25 centimeters in front of a concave mirror. That means in front of mirror that is nothing but object is placed. Which distance is this? Object. That is nothing but U given. U equal to here 25 centimeters. 25 centimeters. This is the object distance given. Next, focal length. Focal length is given F equal to 15 centimeters. That's all. These are given the problem. This is data. All are okay. Centimeters, so no problem. Step 1 over, step 2 over, step 3 also over. Okay. So height of the object or size of object 4 centimeters, object distance 25 centimeters, focal length 50 centimeters. Now what is asking here? So from the mirror, what distance means here we want image distance, that is V equal to how much, and also find the nature and how is the image, and size of the image, that means HI, that is nothing but height of image. Now we want to find image distance and height of image. So dear students, so our aim is to find image distance and size of image. Clear? So this is the data. Now come on, think formula. Which formula? Now I tell you, here we have 2 formula. One is mirror formula, other one is magnification formula. Now we use these. Yeah, we use mirror formula and magnification formula to solve this problem. Okay. So I am okay, clear. So now, okay. So mirror formula we know 1 by F equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Before going to substitution, so we want to F is given, small f, U given, but V is not. We have to find out V. So take this side, or you take 1 by V like this side. So we can write here 1 by F minus 1 by U equal, we can write 1 by V. Clear? Or we can write here 1 by V equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Okay. For example, A minus B equals C, or C equal to A minus B. Anyone you take here. Okay. Okay. Right. So now HO. Okay. His object above axis, that is plus only. For U, F, V, HI. And we know formula, that is R, capital R equal formula we learn to, that is what? 2F. It is relation between focal length. That's all I told you in the second class or third class. R equal to F. 2 F is how much here? 15. So 2 if that is 36 meters. Okay, clear? So now, so I told you, except to first case, all cases all are negative. So U negative, F negative, HO positive, HI also we get negative, so we can check that one. V also negative. Now we get answer V negative, HI also negative, because this is not first case. Okay, you can, I will explain that also, I will explain. This is I think other case, not except to first case. Okay, except first case, in all cases all are negative. So U negative, F negative. Clear? So I will have this one. So now substituting this value, U value, F value in this equation. Okay. So 1 by V equal to 1 by F. F is how much? Minus 15. U minus 25. Remember, F is minus 15 minus U is what here? Minus 25. Be careful about plus or minus, by sign minus. Okay. Don't. Okay. 1 by V equal to minus 1 by 15. I need to minus plus 1 by 25. Okay. Now we want LCM. Do you know LCM? Mathematics. That maths also important. In the case of physics, when you are solving problems, mathematics is very, very important here. So LCM, do you know LCM? Shall I tell you? So 15, comma 25 LCM. Tell me. 5 3 ja, 5 5 ja. So just what is LCM? 5 into 3 into 5 equal what here? 75. So LCM is what here? 75. So now, so I will rub this one. So 1 by V equal to minus, LCM 75. So already minus, so we get what here? 5. Here we get here 3. LCM is well known to you. Okay. So you can, right. So 1 by V equal what here? Minus 2 by 75. So you take reverse, V equal what here? Minus 75 by 2. Nothing but here minus 37.5 centimeters. So we got minus also here. All I told you. Except first case, in the case of concrete, all are negative. So we got negative here. So exact answers here. V equal to also now minus 37.5 centimeters. Clear? Now okay, we got image distance. So U is how much given? Minus U is nothing but given here. U is given as a 25 centimeters, but we got 37.5 minus 37. Now we want height, size of image. Now we use magnification formula. You know M equal to formula HA by HY equal to minus V by U. Well known to you. Clear? V value how much we got here? V equal to this one. Okay. So now we want HI. So just I will add here. So all are given right here. U is nothing but V equal to here minus 25 centimeters, F equal to minus 50 centimeters, HY equal to 4 centimeters, and now we got V equal to minus, that is what here, minus 75 by 2, nothing but minus 37.5 centimeters. Now we want HI value. Clear? And R equal what? R also. R equal to F, that is nothing but minus 30 centimeters. Clear? So just to remember like this. Okay. Now look here. Now we want magnification. M equal what here? Magnification formula here. M equal to HA by HY equal to minus V by U. Clear? So we can take here HI by HY equal to minus V by U. So HI equal to what here? Minus V by U into HO. Minus V value. You can do this one. Minus 75 by 2 into HO value 4 by U value minus 25. Here 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 25 1 ja, 25 ja. This is answer. How much here? 6 minus plus. So minus 6 centimeters. See here? Now we got HI equal to minus 6 centimeters. Finish. This is 4 marks problem. Okay, now again for very clear clarification, I will draw figure also. In examination, no need of draw. If you ask in the examination diagram, you can draw, otherwise no need. But I am explaining by diagram also. for your convenience, for your clear understanding also. Okay, see now. So now these are HO given, U given, F given, or we know 2F that is. But now we got V value, this one, HA value 6. So how much size the object? 4. But here 6. That is what here. Sizing, that is called here what here? Magnified or enlarged. I told you. Clear. So see here also HA also minus. I told already. Except case 1 all are negative. So U negative, F negative, V negative, R negative, H negative. But HO composite, that is positive only. So I will draw diagram also for this problem. So because if we draw diagram also, we can get very clear idea about this one. So diagram, this is nothing but concave mirror. So for your understanding very clearly, I am drawing diagram also for your convenience. Pole, focus, center curvature. Clear? So F is how much here? 15. This is 15 centimeters. Because minus means signs. Okay, I am writing 15 only here. That's all. Okay. R equal to 2F. How much R equal to? That is 30 centimeters. This one. Up to here. So where is the object here? 25. Nothing but between 15 and 30 means exact between F and C. That is between F and C. Which case? Think. Case 3. Clear? So we have object between case F and C. Nothing but this is how much here? 25 centimeters. Just not exact measurements. Just assume. Okay. Clear. Now where we got object behind compulsory we know that is case 3. Behind that how much here? 37.5. That is about 30. So it means sorry here. That's all. This is what here? 37.5 centimeters. Clear? Now this is HO height 4 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. See here? Clear. This diagram. If you ask in the examination, you can draw diagrams. Very simple. This is nothing but already explained very clear. That is what? Case 3 of concave mirror. All are negative. U negative, F negative, V negative, R negative, H negative. But HO is positive because this is our axis. This is the process to solve problem. Any problem you can solve like this only. Okay, students. Okay, should be very careful. So next also I will give myself 1 or 2 or I think I'm thinking to give one extra 2 or 3 problems myself only because for practice. Okay, I will explain. I am thinking to explain by me only. Okay. Okay. So practice this problem. You can practice at least 3 or 4 times here. So any problem you can take the same process. You follow steps. That's all. Okay. Use mirror formula, maximum formula. If you ask only V, use mirror formula. That's no need of magnification formula. If you ask both, you can use both mirror formula and magnification formula. Okay.